Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. So in today's video we're going to make gravy lamb curry. This is very delicious, you guys. It's very easy to prepare as well. So if you want to see how I make this, keep watching, and I promise you, if you're gonna follow the steps that I'm gonna be showing here to get this beautiful and yummy curry that you see here, you're going to enjoy ever. So keep watching. Let's get started. This ingredient that we need, I already have my meat washed, 300 grams. I've got 1 large onion, 2 medium tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, half cup of oil, some green chili, fresh coriander, 1 tablespoon of meat spice. And meat spice, you can use any spice that you have in your kitchen. I'm using KARAHI spice, that's from Indian shop. And also we need half teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some salt. I put meat in a pot. I'm gonna add onion, tomato, and ginger garlic paste. Okay, the spice that I showed you earlier, I'm gonna just mix in here also. Mix it everything together. So now I'm gonna just cover it and leave it in low flame for 20 minutes. It has been 10 minutes, and as you can see, water is almost finished. 1 cup water, because meat water is already finished. So if it's not finished, you don't need to add water, but I'm gonna add water because the meat is not tender. You still have to cook. All right, so I'm gonna cover it again and let it boil until the meat is tender. 20 minutes. So I'm gonna just check meat if it's ready or it's tender. Just have to put in the plate like this, and if it's soft, that's fine. If it's not, mine is already done, it's already soft. Now I'm gonna just, because we still have water in the pot, we have to open the flame and cook until this water is finished. If your meat is not done, you have to continue cooking in low flame and with lid on. So now I'm gonna just open the fire and cook until the water is finished. Now that water is finished, as you can see, no water anymore. Now I'm gonna add my yogurt, oil, and chili, and fry in high flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, it has been 10 minutes already. As you can see, the oil is separated from the meat. This is how it should be. If you are cooking meat, when you are frying, it has to be like this. Oil have to be separated from the meat. Now what we're gonna do, we're going to add 1 glass water, and then we're gonna mix very well and cover it in high flame. Boil it for another 5 minutes. Okay, now it has been 5 minutes. I'm gonna add my fresh coriander, and I'm gonna slow the flame and let it simmer for about 5 minutes again. Your gravy lamb curry is perfectly done. Look how beautiful is that, you guys. If you're gonna follow this step, you're gonna eat delicious lamb curry ever. This curry is no smell. You won't feel that mutton smell. Sometimes you cook and you feel the smell. This is no smell. If you're gonna follow these steps, you're going to enjoy your lamb curry. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done, share with family and friends. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye all.